Today we're gonna make everything seasoning deviled eggs. These look incredible. Deviled eggs are making a huge comeback and they are delicious. Today for our everything seasoning deviled eggs, we have 6 hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna take these and cut them in half. We're gonna take out the yolks right into this bowl here. I'll take this platter. I'm just gonna drop them down there. And deviled eggs are one of those things that everyone loves to eat them, most people. And there's something that you can make ahead of time and put in the fridge before you have guests come over. So we're gonna clean these out. So we have all our yolks here, and to make it nice and creamy, we're gonna use a food processor. So in the food processor, I'm gonna put all of our yolks. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of everything bagel seasoning. So we're gonna put that in the processor. Mix that up, nice and creamy. Perfect, looks nice and creamy. So to fill our deviled eggs, I'm gonna actually use a piping bag. To fill the piping bag, it's always best to put it over a little glass so it's easy to fill. So we're gonna take our mixture, put that right in here. So when I make deviled eggs in large batches, especially for Easter or the holidays, you know, a really beautiful brunch, these are a great appetizer. But for me to prep them ahead of time, I would cut these, put these in the fridge, fill my piping bag, and then right before guests come over, I'll just pipe them right into the eggs. So that way that they don't get stale or, you know, they don't get hard on the top and they're nice and fresh. So we're gonna take the piping bag here and then we can pipe them. So easy, and they look beautiful. Perfect. To garnish them, I'm actually going to do a little bit more of the bagel seasoning, sprinkle on top. Beautiful. This is a perfect brunch item, and a little fresh dill. So just put a tiny little dill on each one. Look at this. Perfect. Beautiful, looks delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.